Dear students, this is assignment 2 of cell. This is the long question. Explain the detailed feature of nucleus and describe the chromosome, that is structure and function. In this topic you have to write the complete nucleus and chromosome, okay, and the structure you have to. This is the long question part, both for CBSE, CHSC and ISC students. All short notes: endoplasmic reticulum, number 1, number 2 lysosome, number 3 Golgi body, number 4 mitochondria, number 5 chloroplast, number 6 ribosome, number 7 cytoskeleton. Then come to difference. Number 1 endoplasmic reticulum, RER versus SCR. Number 2 mitochondria versus chloroplast. Number 3 prokaryote versus eukaryote. Number 4 plant cell versus animal cell. Number 5 70S ribosome versus 80S ribosome. And draw the diagram of animal cell, plant cell, mitochondria, chloroplast and nucleus. These things you have to write it. Alright, these are the subjective assignments, and now come to objective assignment. Okay, these are the MCQ assignments, objective assignments. I am giving these assignments from the starting topic to ending topic. Question number 7. Swan proposed a cell theory according to which, the cell theory से related अच्छी. So answer this question. 123. A biomembrane consists of lipids, proteins, carbohydrates and waters. These lipid molecules are, biomembrane माने cell membrane सहित related अच्छी. Okay, cell membrane ता सहित mitochondrial membrane, chloroplast, all these membranes are called as biomembrane. But तमे basically biomembrane माने cell membrane और plasma membrane बोली जाना. तमे cell membrane topic रे पढ़ीचे विषय रे. Then 137. Difference between rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is that. RER और SCR भितर main difference कौन है? Interesting question. पढ़ीचे हमें. 140. The transport of metabolites across biomembrane occurs through. एडा मध्य cell membrane रे हमें पढ़ीचे. Answer the question. 141. Which one is the single membrane cell organelle? Answer करो. 144. ऐसो diagrammatic question जागा टिके आसिला. Answer करो carefully. Those who have practiced the diagram of mitochondria, chloroplast, you can answer these questions. Go through the sectional view of a mitochondrion showing the different parts and identify the structures A to E. Identify it. 155. Identify A to F in the sectional view of a chloroplast showing the different parts. Chloroplast diagram re achi eta. Just answer it. 167. Acrosome is formed by, the flagella related question na. Just try to answer. I will give you. If you cannot, I will give you the answer. Okay. यदि बुझी पारना पचारी पार होते. 181. In the given diagram of types of chromosome, identify A to D. एटा क्रोमोसोम रे हमें पढ़ीचे क्रोमोसोम हाउ मेनी टाइप्स अकॉर्डिंग टू सेंट्रोमियर हला 4 टाइप्स रे हमें पढ़ीचे विषय रे जस्ट आंसर इट 182 आइडेंटिफाई द गिवन फिगर कौन डायडा RER SCR GB माने RER माने रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम then GB means Golgi body then none of these. Whose diagram is it? 191 the following diagram shows some of the missing structures in a plant cell A to E. Plant cell हमें देइछे diagram, so you can find there in plant cell. Identify the structure. Practice plant cell and animal cell diagram also. 231 if the cell wall of a cell is removed the remaining portion is called. हमें प्रोटोप्लाज्म सेलुलर ऑर्गेनेल्स ए सबू जो स्टार्टिंग में पढ़ले साइटोप्लाज्मिक स्ट्रीमिंग से पार्ट में पढ़ीचे तो जस्ट आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. 118 the cell membrane was discovered by Swan in 1838 but it was named by. 239 which of the following is a part of endomembrane system of eukaryotic cell. पढ़ीचे हमें endomembrane system रे very interesting question. 245 during endocytosis the cell ये टॉपिक टा हमें सेल मेम्ब्रेन रो लास्ट को पढ़ीचे हमें. सो these are the tricky questions. Okay, just answer these questions, very interesting questions. 27 within the cell ribosomes are found in or on भितरे नहल तो ऊपरे. Interesting analytical question, you just answer it. 46 which of the following represents prokaryotic cells. Okay, this is also interesting question. 52 many bacteria have small circular DNA outside the genomic DNA. These smaller DNA are called. एडा में prokaryotes रे पढ़ीचे prokaryotic cell पढ़ेला आडू को. Interesting one, answer it. भल रे पढ़ीचे वाला आंसर करिवो. फर्स्ट ट्राई कर नोट्स न देखिकी आंसर करिया पे जदि करि परना आंसर देन यू कैन वेरीफाई द नोट्स. ओके किंतु पढ़ीचा माने आंसर कर इंटरेस्टिंग जिनस दिया होची. 57 which of the following feature is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes. Cell wall is present, chromosomes are present, subcellular organelles are present, nuclear membrane is present. कौन आंसर? 66 bacterial flagellum consists of all of the following components except. पढ़ीचे हमें बैक्टीरिया रो सॉरी फ्लाजेला टॉपिक रे पढ़ीचे फ्लाजेला सिलिया से भीतर. 107 which of the following differentiate plant cells from animal cells. Plant cell आउ animal cell भीतर differentiating feature कौन अछि. 110 plant cells possesses plant cell कौन कौन possess करछि माने contain करछि. Okay, so these are the objective questions. MCQs, answer it and send me within 2 days. After sending your answers, I will provide you answers. Okay. Thank you very much.